Okay. Hello, guys. This is Vaishnavi, and I'll be talking about the task 4 problem statement. So, in this task, we have been given a data set for spam emails. Spam email is a type of email that is sent to a massive number of users at one time, frequently containing cryptic messages, scams, or mostly dangerous phishing content. In this project, I'll be building an ML model and showing it to you how we can classify the emails into spam and not spam. So let's get started. Yeah, we have imported the required libraries. This is the data set that was provided. Now you might see something different. This is encoding ISO 88591. This just indicates that it's Latin, and this is a text data set wherein we have a lot of text. So this we have to use to indicate that it's like Latin language. And yeah, this is mostly used in speech recognition APIs. As you can see, V1 indicates that it's ham or spam email, and the V2 indicates the text data, and the unnamed 2, unnamed 3, and unnamed 4 have absolutely no data. Okay. We check the columns, the data types, its object. Uh, Next, we check if there is a null data. As I told you, unnamed 2, 3, 4 are the columns which have almost no data. So, to check the percentage of missing values, we calculate the mean and take out the percentage. So, it shows that 99% of the data is missing. Hence, a large amount of data is missing and we are trying to remove it. Uh, so, we use this command data.drop columns, the name of columns, and we run it. Now we can see that the data is cleaned. Okay. Now, calculate the data text length. Why are we doing this? It can help us in analyzing whether how spam emails are, how long spam emails are compared to the length of the ham emails. Here is, and we added that column in our data frame. Here it is. Okay, now next we delve into the two additional visualizations, the swarm plot and the box plot. The swarm plot is a fantastic plot visualizations for revealing the distribution of text lengths for each type of email. So here on the x-axis we have the type of email, on the y-axis we have the text length. As you can see, it's particularly helpful when dealing with smaller data sets, providing insights into the density of data points along the y-axis. You can see that the spam emails text length is less, and for the ham emails, it's like particularly fixed, and it comes under one category. It's like between 0 to 200. Mostly the ham emails are under that uh, category, while the spam emails are varying, and yeah, and it forms a different swarm plot than the ham, so we can easily differentiate. We complement the swarm plot box plot. Box plot provides a concise summary of the distribution of text lengths for spam and ham emails. It shows us the medium, quartiles, and potential outliers, offering a comprehensive view of the data spread. So, yeah, you can see that the for the ham, it's probably between 0 to 100, between like 75, and for spam emails, it's between like 150. So this is what we can understand from the box plot. And here we can also understand the outliers, how these what these dots represent. Okay, next. Okay, now it's time to develop the ML model, to train the model. So we split our data into training and testing sets using the train test split function. This is the function. And from scikit-learn, this ensures that we can evaluate our model's performance on unseen data. So from a scikit-learn, we import like the functions and the libraries from here. Next, the text processing and feature extraction. We are using the concept of vectorization. To prepare our text data from machine learning, we use the count vectorizer. This converts the email text into numerical format that our model can understand. Now, let me explain a bit about vectorization. Um, in natural language processing and machine learning models, we require a numerical input, right? However, textual data is inherently non-numeric. This is where text vectorization comes into play. Text vectorization is the process of converting the text data into numerical format that can be easily understood by the uh, ML models. Mm, in our project, we are using the count vectorizer. It works by transforming each piece of text into a vector of word counts. It creates a matrix where each row corresponds to a document. In our case, it's an email, and each column corresponds to a unique word in our entire data set. The values in the matrix represent the frequency of each word in the corresponding document. This approach is known as bag of words model. It simplifies and ignores the order of words in a document, focuses solely on the frequency. Uh, it might seem that we might lose some data, but it's a powerful method of representing text data in a way that machine learning models can effectively utilize. The resulting matrix becomes the input for our machine learning model. Each unique word becomes a feature, and its frequency becomes the value associated with that feature. This allows the model to learn about the patterns and relationships between words and labels. So, this count vectorizer acts as a great pipeline, transforming our textual data into numerical data. And it can help us predict which type of email it is. Now, um, yes, so these are the procedures that we use to do that. Next is building the ML model. We are over here using the naive Bayes classifier, the Bayes theorem, that is very popularly known, and we choose multinomial naive Bayes classifier for its effectiveness with text data. This classifier is trained on vectorized text data. That is why we are using it over here. Now, we using the fit function, we train it on the X and the Y train data set, and then we make predictions. Yeah, using the predict function. Now we calculate the accuracy, the confusion matrix, and the classification report, and we display it. So I got an accuracy of 98%. So we can see that uh, the data is getting divided in each of it properly. Yes, and so this is we have walked through the key components of our spam ham email prediction project, from loading to pre-processing to data training, data training a new machine learning model that I have not been aware of, but through this project I'm very glad that Oasis Infobyte gave me this opportunity. I could learn about new machine learning model, visualizing the results. Each step plays a very crucial role in predicting email types. And Thank you so much.